Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to stop Forza Horizon 5 crashing, but please do not forget to leave a like and subscribe for this channel. So let's start. First off, make sure that you run Forza Horizon as an administrator. So to do that, go to the search box and just type in Forza Horizon. But currently I don't have that game, but you should be able to see that. Right click on that and click on run as administrator. If that doesn't work, then you have to set all your graphics settings to low on Forza Horizon. So open Forza Horizon. I currently do not have one, but I will instruct you on what to do. So go to My Festival, navigate to Settings, and go to Graphics. In Graphics, set every options that you see there to low. If that didn't work, then try updating your driver to the latest version. So to do that, go to the search box and just type in Device Manager and open that. Click Display Adapters and right-click your drivers. Now here, click Update Driver and just choose which one here, but I'll choose search automatically for drivers. And as you can see, this pop-up means that your driver is already installed, but if not, you should be able to update that one and try if it works on your end. If that didn't work, then you have to go to the next method. So we have to go to the search box and just type in Windows Security. Open that up and click Virus and Threat Protection. Now we will turn off the virus and threat protection that we have. Go to Manage Settings and then disable Real-Time Protection and click Yes. Make sure that you don't leave that turned off for a very long time because your software might be susceptible to viruses and malwares. It is also worth trying to check if your Windows is up to date. So to do that, go to the search box and just type in check for updates and open that up. Now you have to update your Windows to the latest version. If you see that error, then you may have to retry and update your Windows and check if that will work. Now if those methods didn't work out, then all you have to do is to go to Steam. If you're using Steam, then go to the library. So from the library, go to the game, which is Forza Horizon. Let's say this is this one. Right click on it and click Properties. Now there should be Installed Files option in the left side. So click on that and you have to see or look for the Verify Integrity of Game Files and click on that. I hope one of these methods work for you guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.